Hey friends, so last month I issued y'all a challenge. Give me your best ways for learning the corkscrew in tutorials of your own making. So we're about to go dig into that. Drex here from drexfactor.com, trying to bring the love of flow and poi spinning into your world. And today we're going to check through the entries for my tutorial challenge contest for the month of January. And I'm going to issue you my challenge for the month of February. Before we dive in, of course, I just want to give a quick shout out to the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Dark Monk, Flow Toys, Pyroterra Light Toys, LMF Props, Spinballs, and Ultrapoi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. You can learn more about all these amazing companies and the work that they're doing to support flow artists like yourself by checking out the links that I've got down in the description of this video. So I will tell you up front that I actually only got 2 submissions this month, and I'm really confused about one of them because it was a video that seemed to show a lot of flow but no corkscrews, and it clearly wasn't a tutorial. So I have a suspicion that somebody may have sent me the wrong patch of video question mark, and if indeed you were that person, please let me know, and I can hopefully check out your actual tutorial one of these days. But in the meantime, I'm really happy to say that the one tutorial I did get was from Kimmie Cherry, who now I think has entered this contest each and every month that I've put it out there. So Kimmie, first up, just like thank you so much for keeping with it and for keeping on submitting really awesome videos month after month. I really appreciate your consistency. God only knows that I think that that is a big portion of what helped me build my own channel and my own audience, and I really hope that it becomes an ingredient for yours as well. So let's go ahead and dive in and see. Cool. I like right off the bat that you're giving us the title as well as demonstrating the trick. That's great.
Hi, I'm Campboy Girl 713. I'm also the No Gal Cherries on YouTube, and this is my tutorial for how to do corkscrews, or as I've heard them called before, veils. When I first started in poi, I'd already known a little bit about belly dancing, and we also use this trick with silk veils.
Oh, cool.
So
I did not realize that.
I'm used to this trick in a different manner, and today we're going to do it with poi.
Cool. So there's something going on right now where like the picture is kind of frozen and it's kind of difficult to make, it's kind of pixelated and everything, so I suspect what this is a render error, unfortunately, because yeah, it looks like looks like something went wrong as the video was outputting. Oh, there we go.
For this one, they're the same color almost as some of my outfit, but they're a little bit offset from the white background. It's pretty special.
Also, I'd just love to say how much I love the little infographics thing you use. Hold on to that. It's really cool.
Always try it with one if you want.
Going one hand at a time, that is always a good way for learning a poi trick.
And I tend to always move with this trick too, going underneath it.
Despite your note to the contrary, I'm pretty sure all the corkscrews you were doing as you were turning are indeed corkscrews.
Start by trying to do this both directions.
Also, I do appreciate how the poi stands out from the background and everything. The way the image is balanced here is really, really good. And I also really appreciate that you kind of took the note from last week and made sure that you're much bigger in the frame while the infographics are popping up. That's well done there.
We did this a little bit differently too. First off, we'd have a veil, a sheet between us, and be making a full circle.
Oh, interesting. That's an interesting technique for learning this. Just like thinking out loud, you could simulate a very similar thing by holding the poi one end in each hand as you're doing it. Ooh, and it looks like we've hit another render error.
Kind of doing a body tracer with your hands, but not your poi. Without the poi for a moment, you are...
Oh, I'm so sad that the render error is making it so I can't see what you're doing right now, because I love the explanation you're giving.
A corkscrew, like you're going all the way up and all the way down.
Oh, we're back.
With it on every angle, and you want to be able to do that with both poi, in both directions, with both hands. Especially if you aren't used to using both hands and both poi. While you're doing this,
both directions, both hands, also good tips.
This is essentially a weave, but not on a side profile, but on a up and down profile plane.
Yeah, rather than being in vertical planes, it's in horizontal planes. Good, yeah, it absolutely is, and that's a good way to describe it to people. Cool. All right, well, Kimmie, it totally breaks my heart that there was that render error, because I can definitely see you taking a lot of the feedback that I've been putting out there for the past few months and applying it to your videos. You know, this is such a huge leap forward from some of the stuff that you were recording earlier. I loved your intro. I loved your description of the trick and everything. I love the fact that you found a great balance between having you in the frame and having those fun little kind of animated titles showing up and everything. So I'm going to say, Kimmie, well done. It's really been a treat watching you grow as an editor and a tutorial creator in these past few months. So thank you for continuing to participate in this, and I hope you continue to do so in the future. And with that, I'm going to issue my tutorial challenge for February, and it's going to be the classic. I want to see all y'all out there giving me your best tutorials on the 3-beat weave, the single most cliche trick in all of the poi world. I want to see how you're going to teach this particular trick. Once again, the rules are, please shoot a tutorial for this trick and send a link to me. My email address is drex@drexfactor.com. Please have those into me no later than February 25th, and on the first Thursday, and I know this video is coming a day late, the first Thursday of March, I will post all of those different tutorials with a little bit of reaction from me and pick out my favorites for the month, yeah? Cool. So, have at it. If you like this video and you'd like to see more like it in the future, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and of course, hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I drop a new video. And of course, a huge thank you to my wonderful supporters on Patreon. They are the reason that this video and all the videos on this channel exist. If you'd like to sign up to support the work that I do, please head on over to patreon.com/drexfactorpoi and sign up. You get early access to all of my content as well as a host of other amazing rewards. Thank you so much in advance, and I will see y'all soon. Peace.